When a bumblebee gets trapped in your greenhouse or your home, how do you coax her out? Here's a simple trick you'll want to share with your bee-friendly friends. The method is less stressful on the bee, and you can make it from materials you have close at hand. First, pick a flower that bumblebees love. In our garden, they really go for Iceland poppies. Then poke the stem of the flower into the bristles of a broom. The older and funkier the broom, the better. You need this long handle in case the bee has flown out of reach. The business end of the broom provides an easy way to secure the flower in place. Here's a close-up. Now ease the flower toward the bee. Oops, you can't quite see it. I'll try that again. You want her to crawl into the flower on her own accord. There we go. Yay, success. Now she's forgotten about being stuck and is busy feeding on pollen and nectar. Just the diversion we need as we ease the flower out the window. Let's see what happens. Will she fly away to freedom? There she goes. Yay, it worked. Try this simple trick the next time a bee gets trapped indoors, and let me know which flower you use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!